Hey traders, Arjun here. 3 months since Rahul started trading. 3 months of wins, losses, tears, and lessons. Today he sits down with his journal, his account statement, and the truth. No sugarcoating, no excuses, just raw numbers. How much did he actually make? Or lose? Most traders never do this. They trade day after day without looking back. Rahul is different. He is going to face the numbers head on. Rahul's 3-month account review. Month 1. Starting capital, 1 lakh rupees. 32 trades in 30 days. 12 winners. 20 losers. Win rate, 37%. No stop loss on most trades. No journal. No plan. Just vibes and hope. Net profit and loss, minus 18,500 rupees. That is an 18.5% loss in 1 month. Biggest mistake, revenge trading. After a loss, Rahul would immediately take another trade to make it back. Then lose again. Then trade again. A spiral of anger and losses. Month 2. Remaining capital, 81,500. Rahul learned 3 things. Stop loss, risk to reward, and candlestick patterns. 25 trades this month. 14 winners. 11 losers. Win rate jumped to 56%. Still some revenge trades, but fewer. Net profit and loss, plus 3,200 rupees. Not much, but positive. The turning point? He started his trading journal, writing down every trade, every reason, every emotion. The journal changed everything. Month 3. Capital now 84,700. Rahul added 2 more skills. Position sizing and volume analysis. 20 trades this month. Fewer trades, better quality. 13 winners. 7 losers. Win rate 65%. Every single trade followed the plan. Journal updated for every trade. Emotions managed. Patience improved. Net profit and loss, plus 8,800 rupees. His best month, not because of a lucky trade, but because of a system. The total numbers after 3 months. Month 1, minus 18,500. Month 2, plus 3,200. Month 3, plus 8,800. Total profit and loss, minus 6,500 rupees. Still negative. After 3 months of work, Rahul is still down 6,500 rupees. But look at the trend. Minus 18,000, plus 3,000, plus 8,000. The direction is up. The curve is bending. The learning curve. Month 1, minus 18.5%. Month 2, plus 3.2%. Month 3, plus 8.8%. This is the learning curve of every successful trader. The first month is brutal. You lose money and confidence. Most traders quit here. They say the market is rigged. But Rahul did not quit. He studied. He journaled. He improved. The learning curve is not linear. It is exponential. Slow at first. Then it compounds. Just like the market itself. Rahul's 5 biggest lessons from 3 months. 1. Stop loss saved me. Without it, month 2 losses would have been triple. 2. The journal revealed patterns. He discovered he loses most on Mondays and wins most on Wednesdays. 3. Position sizing equals survival. 1% risk kept him alive through the worst losing streak. 4. Fewer trades equals better results. 20 trades beat 32 trades because quality beats quantity. 5. The plan beats emotions. Every time he followed the plan, he made money. Every time he broke it, he lost. What changed from month 1 to month 3? Less trades. 20 versus 32. Better quality setups only. Journal every single trade. Entry, exit, reason, emotion, lesson. Emotions managed. No more revenge trading. No more fear of missing out. Still learning. Still making mistakes. But the mistakes are smaller and less frequent. The wins are bigger and more consistent. That is progress. Not perfection. Progress. Rahul's goals for the next 3 months. 1. Consistent 5 to 8% profit per month. Not 20%. Not 50%. Steady, repeatable 5 to 8. 2. Learn the basics of options trading. Not to trade them yet. Just understand them. 3. Master 3 specific setups. He picks support bounce, breakout with volume, and trend continuation. 3 setups. Not 30. Master the few. Ignore the rest. 3 months. Still in the red. but the trend is up. That is what matters. Most traders never review their account honestly. Rahul did, and that honesty is why he will make it. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.